Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the base Laboratories Piercing Aftercare Kit. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and let me show you what it looks like. This kit has several pieces in it. There is one sea salt spray for piercing that is 4 ounces. There is a piercing bump solution oil that is 0.5 ounces. And this 2 spray bundle is great to have on hand to help with nose and ear piercing bumps. This Aftercare spray features a natural powerhouse ingredient, which is sea salt saline water. It is purified and distilled and packed with soothing ingredients to help with irritation. It is recommended to use these two in conjunction, and using it daily helps with optimal healing environment and shortening the recovery time compared to using some other options with chemical agents out there. If you are in the market for a comprehensive high quality piercing aftercare set, this is definitely worth looking into.